What's up guys, it's Aiduran. I'm in the Hot Wheels section in my favorite toy store. Let's see what we've got here. So here is a 2021 Ford Bronco. We don't got them in Moscow, and in Russia I don't think that they will be ever officially sold, so we only got these Hot Wheels. It looks awesome, but I don't like this part in the wheels where the tube goes. Doesn't really good from the front and from the back because of it. That's the problems of all SUVs, small SUVs, toys SUVs. Porsche 914, the Safari edition. Look at it, like the off-road wheels and some front lights here, and a very cool, awesome trunk at the back of it. Now I play a Need for Speed Porsche version, and I remember I drove this car. It actually was a convertible Targa, but this one has like a solid roof. Here's a 1999 Honda Civic Type R. My friend adores Honda Civic. I don't pretty much like it. I like the previous version of it, but wheels are nice. Actually, take a look at these wheels. They are not the same as the most Hot Wheels car have. They usually have these type of wheels, so that's like pretty cool that you have some not ordinary ones. 84 Pontiac Firebird. Whoa, have never seen that one in real life. So it has a glass roof like the original one, and the wheels are pretty simple, fat tires. There's another big wall of Hot Wheel cars. Let's check them out. Here's a small exhibition of those, so you can see what they've got here. Ferrari F12, Ferrari FX Enzo, another Ferrari which I thought that was 4GT, and the Porsche 917, I think, or not. I think that's Ferrari again. Pretty cool muscle car that I don't know what this is. Pontiac GTO probably. Another Honda Civic. Retro Mustang with a turquoise color. It looks like a very old toy. I don't know why, because right next to it there's like a more modern Mustang because it has a modern paint. But that one like from the 90s. Another Mustang, I think that's Mark II edition. Oh, look at the front of it. I don't like the back wheel, it's too big though. There's even a Tesla truck here, check it out! But it's not sold separately. The whole package costs like around $30. A Chevrolet Capris Fire Rescue Edition. Black on black wheels, cool. Audi R8 Convertible with no roof on it, yeah. Iron Man drives one of those, drove probably. A funny car called See Me Rolling. Look at the front, and just like on the picture it's much more beautiful than in real life. Subaru 22B, the coupe, yummy. A Lamborghini Hurricane, and check out, the wheels are different. The front wheel and the back wheel, they're not the same, and that's like not a ordinary Hurricane, that's a LB Works, which probably means that it has a great paint job. Yeah. Well, that's about it of those cool cars that I found. So see you next time, guys. Bye.